Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you credit card with zero APR on balance transfers. If you have high interest credit card debt, you're able to transfer your debt to these cards for 0% interest. There is 5 options. The first 4 are going to be for 18 months at 0% interest. The fifth option is going to be for 21 months 0% interest. You're gonna need a certain credit score, usually about 680 in that 700 range if you can help fix your credit with low to help you get you there so you can do this balance transfer. So here they are. Number 1 is US Bank Visa Platinum card. This for 18 months 0%. Number 2, Chase Late Age, that's 18 months 0%. Number 3, Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards card. Number 4, Wells Fargo Reflect card. And number 5 with 21 months is 0% interest is the Bank America card. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.